Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address in your GoDaddy account. If you have changed your email address or just want to update it, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to www.godaddy.com. From here, make sure that you are logged into your GoDaddy account, and once you have logged in, click on your account name or the profile icon, which is located at the top right corner of the screen in between the Add to Cart and Help option. In this drop down menu, click on the account setting option. In the account settings section, look for the email address option. As you can see, currently it is set to this email address, and when you click on it, you will see this text box where you can click and remove the email address and update your new email address over here. And once you have entered your new email address, click on the send verification code option. A 6-digit code will be sent over to the email address which you have just set. And once you have entered the 6-digit code which has been sent on your email address, simply click on the option saying continue. And now your email address has been changed over here. So this is how you can change your email address in GoDaddy. And if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to comment down if you have any query. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.